Welcome back, my anime friends. Today I will draw yet a different style of eye, and it could be regarded as a male manga eye. This time I'll start with the upper eyelid. It's going to be a bit more sharp and angled than the other eyelids we drawn before. The iris in this eye is only half a circle, and then we indicate where the eyelid is with just a thin line underneath. This is going to be the pupil. For this eye, I'm actually going to add the eyebrow as well. And notice how it's angled differently than the eyelid, almost opposite. Now I'm looking at the whole of my eye and I'm thinking I'm going to start fixing up certain areas that I'm not so pleased with. Like this area, I will make it a bit wider, the inside of the eye. Have you noticed, by the way, that this is not the right eye, it's the left eye. I am happy with the sketch, so I'm going to start inking in with my Sharpie. I decided to go with a pink and purple color for my iris, and so I'm testing out my colors, going from black to dark purple and to light purple or pink to see what it looks like. I really love it. That's a good color blend. I'm starting with my lightest color, with my lightest pink, coloring in the iris. Next, I'm picking up my purple, my dark purple, and coloring in that small ring here next to my pupil. And now I decide to go with a little black. I want it to be darker up in there. So I'm going to add a bit of my black Crayola marker. And now I'm blending with my dark purple. And I take my lightest pink again, my lightest color, blending those colors together, trying to get a transition. And as a spur of a moment, I decided to actually put some lines in here. If you look close up at human eyes, you see these tiny little lines that look like sunbeams almost inside our iris. I'm pretty satisfied with the outcome here. I think I'm going to add a little bit of shade underneath my eyelid as well. I chose a light gray, and now I'm drawing this line underneath my eyelid. It's time to put in some highlights with my gel pen. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial or maybe in my camp.